Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to edit Windows host files. Um, Please, before I get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing so. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do now is to go to your Windows file, Windows folder. Sorry, go to my PC, um, your OS, and go to Windows. Just do it exactly the way I'm doing it. And to be fine. To Windows. System 32, and then drivers, the etc folder. This is the host file here. So what you want to do now is to open it as a notepad. Okay, as you can see, it's open. So this is where you do your editing and everything. So as you can see, I have mine here. This IP over here. I have mine, so you can add whatever you want to do. And once you're done, you have to. This is the trick here. You have to save it as you have to save it to desktop. Yeah, so because if you save it here, the Windows won't allow you. So you just have to save it to desktop. Name it host. Save type as text, and come here and save it to desktop. Sorry. Yeah, desktop. Okay, then save. Now, if we go to our desktop, we see a host file here. So, what you want to do now is just close this. What you want to do now is go to your control panel. Go to your control panel. Go to File Explorer options. Go to View, and you want to make sure you uncheck hide extension for known file types. This you want to make sure it is unchecked, and click apply. Okay. You can close the control panel and now go to your host file. Sorry, what you want to do now is to rename the host file on your desktop. Now you click rename and plain this txt and full stop. Press pop up. It's going to come out and you're just going to click on yes. Now go back to file where your hosting was, the host file was, and what you want to do now is to delete this. Simply delete this and then just drag this and continue. That is it. Deleted your host files. Well, that was very easy, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. Thank you.